The PanOxyl PM Overnight Spot Patches are designed to help heal and protect blemishes overnight.
Welcome to Top Products channel.
These patches use advanced hydrocolloid technology to draw out impurities, speeding up the healing process. They are fragrance-free, making them suitable for sensitive skin. Hydrocolloid technology. This healing technology absorbs excess fluid from blemishes while forming a protective barrier to shield the area from dirt and bacteria. Fragrance-free. Ideal for sensitive or acne-prone skin as it doesn't irritate or cause reactions. Overnight use. Effective during sleep. These patches work on active breakouts for smoother skin in the morning. Invisible design. The patches are discreet and can be worn throughout the day if needed. Quantity. 40 patches per pack provide ample supply for consistent use. Application. Place the patch on a clean, dry blemish before bed. The patch will turn white, indicating it has absorbed impurities. Remove the patch in the morning and the spot should appear less inflamed. Pros: speeds up healing, protects from bacteria, non-irritating and fragrance-free, large pack size. Cons: may not adhere well to very oily skin. Some users may find them less effective on cystic acne. Conclusion: PanOxyl PM Overnight Spot Patches are a solid option for anyone looking for an easy, overnight acne treatment. They offer advanced healing with minimal irritation.
Please check the video description box and collect your desired product. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to get the best products of Amazon.